What you want?
This.
What's that?
Yeah.
What is it?
Jelly.
Huh?
Jelly.
What is it?
And jelly.
No, you don't say that. What is it?
Jelly.
Laurel, what are you eating?
Jelly.
What
What are you eating?
What is it?
I don't know.
How you spell it?
KIC.
What do you
that?
want?
And got KIC.
What do you want?
KIC.
What is KAC?
No, got cake.
It's certainly not CAKE, is it? What do you want?
Cake.
Ah!
How you spell this? How you spell it?
Cake.
So, yeah, Daddy's always spelling stuff because he wants dessert at 9 o'clock at night. So he's always saying, can he have CAKE? And somehow somebody's got KAC. I don't know.
What you want? What is that?
I don't know.
What is it?
You want some what, Laurel?
KIC.
What is KAC? It's not even KAC. It's PIE.
It's PIE. It's spelled KAC.
But it's JUNK.
Right.
That's for sure. Or DESSERT. We should start spelling that. I bet you she won't figure it out. What do you think?
Daddy,
Mm-hmm.
listen.
What you want? What is that? Okay. You want some KAC?
What do you want,
You want some
Jaxie?
PIE KAC? Huh? You want some PIE
What do you
KAC?
want, Jaxie Wexie? Hello. Hi, sweetheart. I want to be part of the video. I spell KIC. KAC. Whatever it is. I don't know. Hello, buddy.